Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing how to access remote desktop using our browser without the use of any third-party software like TeamViewer, Splashtop and the rest, and also controlling your PC with your mobile device just like this. So if this is something you are interested in, you probably want to stick to the end of this video.
So on your browser you want to search for Chrome remote desktop.google.com. Then it brings you to this page. You can actually do this on Opera Mini too. So on the screen you're going to see the add to Chrome. You click on it, then you click on add extension. At the top of our screen here, you notice that an extension bar has been added. Once you click on it, you would see the Chrome remote desktop. Then you actually have the option to pin it or leave it hidden. So I'll just pin it to my browser so I can easily access it. So this is it here, the Chrome remote desktop. Once I click on it, it will take us to this page where we are being told access my computer or share my screen. Just click on access my computer for now. Then it brings us to this page, which is the Chrome remote desktop. So the first thing we want to do is set up our system. Set up remote access. You want to click on turn on, and now whatever name you want to give to your computer when in use, you just have to input it here. For this I'm going to be going with my PC. Next, then here you want to choose a pin. This pin is very necessary, so you want to pick something that you would always remember. Then click on start. So now we have our system set up, meaning in the future when you actually want to use the Chrome remote desktop, you don't have to go through the whole process of putting your pin and all of that. So on the screen we have the remote access. We're actually on the remote access. So on this page, this allows you to actually connect your PC to your phone, yes, or any phone that actually has the same email as the one you have signed in right now on your PC. Then for the remote support, this allows you to share your screen or connect to another person's screen. So we have here share the screen, and we have so once you click on generate code, you realize that a 12-digit code was actually generated. So all you have to do is copy this code and send to whoever you want to give access to your laptop screen. Remember, not just access but also control. So that's that for sharing your screen. Click on cancel. Then at the bottom we have the connect to another computer. So if there is someone who wants you to actually access their system, all they have to do is go through the same process of generating a 12-digit pin and sending that pin to you, and you just have to impute it at this point where they wrote access code. And once you impute and connect, you automatically have access and control over that person's system, and it's that simple, nothing serious. So now we're going to be heading on to using the Chrome remote desktop with our mobile device and how we can actually carry
Installed
that.
and open, you would notice your device ID showing on your screen as long as you are using the same email you used in signing up on your desktop. Click on your device ID and it will ask you for your PIN, and once you input your PIN, remember it is the same PIN you used in signing up on your desktop. Once you input your PIN, you would notice you have full access to your desktop, and that is it. Simple and easy.